Gama. Pero gusto ko ata, ano yan?
Ayan na, business na.
Maligam-gam.
Di pa lockdown tayo. Yan. Dito lang naman ako sa Purokyaw.
Bab, come here, Bab.
Lahat ng food. Ba't na may skinhead dyan, kakasukan ko. Yung mga bahay-bahay.
Si Tita Beth. Do it. Wow! Lutong-luto talaga. Anyway, capsule, medicinal plant, tablet. Ito yung tablet na ginawa natin.
What chicken do?
Ay, hindi nakuha.
Wait, how many pieces is that?
Okay, I'll ask again, Tita Beth. It's okay. No, you'll sell it. That's your opportunity to, be an entrepreneur now. No, you sell na. You sell na. To the, 10 each. Okay? Sell it, Gonna waste
I'm not
it.
gonna waste. I'm gonna eat it, but like.
Because Tita Beth wants you to become business people, okay?
Yeah, can you, Ika? I'll give you one.
O, Gcash mo daw.
OG.
Mabayaran ka daw ni Daging.
Si David na daw bahala.
Pati si Bettina. Don't worry daw.
She sounded like Lolo just saying that.
Meron kayong babaunin bukas sa
That's literally what
Oo
Lolo
nga.
says. Don't worry.
O, pambayad sa school, Ay, pambayad. Pambawad sa school.
Name your price.
Tsaka gusto ni Tita Beth, mag-sell ka na. Well, it's your challenge. But it's easy to eat. You say it's easy to eat, right?
Magaling ako sa online sales.
Online selling mo pa. No, sa strangers na. That's your challenge. Tita Beth, magkano isa?
Oh, that's
10.
actually too much.
Isa. 10, isa. 10, isa. Or 15, isa.
Oo, maganda ako sa
O, 10 daw, 15.
Baka hindi ka bumili. Mababang.
10 for 1, 20 for 8.
O, sabihin mo. Sabihin mo, bilhin mo na to. Bilhin mo na to. Try mo, mababangungot
Parang
ka.
masyadong madami.
Mababangungot ka.
All in 5 days.
10 per piece is too cheap.
That means we all have to eat like 10.
Kaya nga, 15 pesos eh. Baby, paubos mo sa CSA.
I will have to eat 10.
Hindi, David will share it sa Agustin.
In
Lahat na kilala niya.
CSA, 50 pesos yan.
O, 50 daw sa CSA.
Yan na, okay na yun.